Hi guys, in this class we will discuss another PHP problem. So this is a chapter number 7. Chapter number 7 related we will discuss different problems and provide solution for that problem. So this is a PHP problem to get three numbers from user, check whether all numbers are equal to each other or not. So what you have to do, we have to get three numbers from user using HTML form. After getting three numbers from user, we have to check whether all the numbers equal to each other or not. So there are different ways you can use, but I will use in this class if else statement. In if else, I will use nested if statement to check whether three numbers are equal to each other or not. Just save this file in another folder. I have to create chapter number 7, and it will be problem number 1.php. So first of all, I have to get a HTML basic structure, and this is a chapter 07. Problem number is 1. First of all, remove this line and make comment in HTML document, and then here I have to write PHP code. So PHP code is used to fetch data from input fields, process data, different functionality you can achieve using PHP coding. So what I will do next, I have to create a HTML form. HTML form you have to create, because using HTML form we can get data from user. So its method, I want to set get method. By default method it's will be a get method, but you can also use post method. Post method is used in that environment in which you have to get data from user, that is sensitive data. So next, inside the form tag I have to get a input field. Input field, this will be a number, and then its name attribute value, I want to say that n1. It means that first number. I want to say that this is another number. This will be a number 2, this is number 3, and then I want to say that a submit button will be required to sorry, and then it will be like this one. I want to get a line break for all. Two line break I want to set to get a distance between two fields, and then this will be okay. And then I have to remove this URL, and then this is chapter number 7. Chapter 7 problem 1, 3 fields are displaying here for different purpose. For example, I want to include a placeholder where I want to display that first number. It will be a first number, and then I want to say that in the second field there will be a second number. This will be a second number. In the third field there will be a third number. I have to write here third number, sorry, third number. So okay, each and everything is okay, looking good. First number, second number, and third number, and there is a submit button to see result whether all number equal to each other or not. Now in PHP tag I have to use a condition if is set. Using is set method, this is a special variable, super special variable, and then I want to say that when this button is active, or pressed by the user, then what I have to do, I have to get data from this field. How I can get data from this field? Using this get variable, and its name attribute value is n1. So store in variable, this variable n1. Same, I want to get number from other fields also. Their input name attribute value is n2 and n3. Same like change their variable name n2 and n3. So these three numbers are taken from user using get a special variable. Now I want to say that whether all these numbers equal to each other or not. So using nested if statement, I will use that if n1 is equal to n2, if n1 is equal to n2, then again I want to check that whether in if statement I want to check that whether n2 is equal to n3 or not. So sorry, n3. So at first I will check that whether n1 is equal to n2 or not. If this condition is true, then it will enter in the if body. When it enter in the if body, there is another if statement in which we created a condition. Again check whether n2 is equal to n3 or not. It means that when this condition is true, it will be clear that all three numbers are equal to each other. I have to display statement. All these three numbers equal to each other. Now just check whether it is working or not. Error unexpected, curly braces, where is unexpected. So it's sorry, semicolon is missing. Just refresh this one. First number is 4, another number is also 4, third number is also 4. Submit. You will see all these three numbers are equal to each other. For example, I provide different number, for example 1 and 54. Submit. Nothing display. I want to say that if there is issue when these numbers are not equal to each other, then display another message in else part. This else part of this nested if statement, I want to say that not equal to each other. Now put a semicolon and then refresh this one again. For example 4, 3 and 3. Submit. You can see that nothing display. I want to display this else part for this if statement also here, and then refresh this one. Not equal to each other. For example 4 and 4 and 4. Submit. Equal to each other. For example 4 and 2 and 4. Submit. Not equal to each other. So this is a problem solution, how you can get three number from user, and then using PHP coding, how you can check whether all these three numbers are equal to each other or not. This is a problem solution of chapter number 7, problem number 1. You can get more exercises to clear your concept, to improve your PHP programming skill. So if you have any confusion, any question while learning with us, you can discuss with me without any hesitation. Thank you.